question 5. The radius of an inverted hemisphere. What is hemisphere? Inverted. So will be as following. Half of a ball, like this, is increasing at a constant rate of 0.5 meters per second. Now it said the radius. So the part that highlighted in blue, it is dr dt. Okay, next is that the radius of the hemisphere right now is 2.5 meters. Then we also find the rate of increase of the part A, curved surface area. Curved surface area. That means this is dA dt. Now let's have a look. How can we find this one for part A first? Part A, we need to let capital A and R respectively. Let the curved surface area be A. Let the radius be R. Okay, we have dA dt, dr dt. Let's write down on the right hand side first. dA dt, dr dt. Oh, how can we connect them? We need to find the red part here, dA dr here, such that we can change the dA dt into dA dr times dr dt. So what is area in terms of radius? I mean the curved surface area. Curved surface area is the red part that I highlighted here, side. So remember, what is the area? I mean the curved surface area of a sphere first. Sphere, it is 4 pi r squared. Hemisphere is half of a sphere, so you times 1/2 in the front. So therefore this is just 2 pi r squared. Now dA dr, so differentiate both sides with respect to r. So we have 4 pi r. Okay, that is the required dA dr. Then dA dt, constant 0.5 meter per second. dA dr, I found it. Then we can substitute in. So dA dt is equal to dA dr times dr dt, chain rule. dA dt is a target, just still right on the left hand side. dA dr 4 pi r. dr dt given by the question is 0.5. So the answer will be 2 pi r. Now, what is the radius? The radius is 2.5. So when r is equal to 2.5, dA dt will be equals to 2 pi 2.5 equals to 5 pi meters squared per second. Okay, part B, we are asked to find the base area. Base area again is area. Is yellow color. Base area. So what does that mean? I cannot use dA dt. Maybe I change a base area dB dt, for example. So the approach is similar. dB dt, and we know dr dt. So what we need to have is dB dr dt for the chain rule. So what's base area? Base area is just a circle. So for part B will be equals to pi r squared. dB dr will be equals to 2 pi r. So by the rough work, we know that dB dt will be equals to dB dr times dr dt. So dB dr is 2 pi r. dr dt from the question again is 0.5. So dB dt will be pi r. Well, radius is 2.5. So when R is equals to 2.5, dB dt will be equals to 2.5 pi meter squared per second.